Today I'm thrilled to share a method for removing skin tags and warts overnight. While complete removal might take from a few days to 2 weeks, you will notice significant shrinkage with each application of this remedy. What are skin tags and warts? Skin tags. These are small, benign growths that typically appear on areas of the skin that experience friction, such as the neck, armpits, groin, and eyelids. They are usually soft, skin-colored, or slightly darker and can range from a few millimeters to a few centimeters in size. Skin tags are made of collagen fibers, blood vessels, and sometimes fat cells surrounded by skin. Warts are also benign growths caused by the human papillomavirus, or HPV. They can appear anywhere on the body but are commonly found on the hands, feet, known as plantar warts, and genital area, referred to as genital warts. Warts are usually rough, raised bumps that can be flesh-colored, white, pink, or tan. They might have tiny black dots, which are clotted blood vessels. Genital warts are more concerning as they can grow in private areas, such as the vaginal area, penis, cervix, and rectum, often found in skin folds. Causes and associations: HPV or human papillomavirus. HPV is the primary cause of warts and is highly prevalent, with 95% of the population carrying some strain of HPV. Some strains cause more problems than others, including the development of cervical cancer in women. Hormonal factors. Excess estrogen, often seen in women who are pregnant, have polycystic ovarian syndrome, also known as PCOS, or are overweight, can contribute to the development of skin tags and warts. Estrogen is an anabolic hormone, meaning it promotes growth, which can lead to the formation of these skin conditions. Insulin resistance. People with insulin resistance or diabetes often have higher insulin levels, which is also an anabolic hormone promoting growth. Insulin resistance can lead to ineffective insulin functioning at the cellular level, contributing to the development of these skin growths. Elevated insulin levels can stimulate the growth of skin cells, leading to the formation of skin tags and warts. All right, let's dive into the topic of HPV and its effects. So HPV, or human papillomavirus, is a pretty complex virus. It consists of about 230 strains, and well, some of these are more dangerous than others. And nearly everyone has some form of HPV. It's actually responsible for most cases of cervical cancer, which is the second most common cancer in women. Type 6 and 11 of HPV cause most genital warts, while types 16 and 18 are responsible for most HPV-related cancers. Now, let's talk about how HPV interacts with the immune system. One of the key players here are natural killer cells, or NKCs. These cells are a crucial part of our immune system, designed to target and destroy cancer cells and virus-infected cells. But HPV has a strategy to weaken these NKCs, which undermines the body's defense against viruses and cancers. NKCs are part of the body's innate immune system, providing a first line of defense against infections and tumors. There are also other factors that can weaken NKCs. Things like stress, injury, trauma, bereavement, surgery, and deficiencies in essential nutrients like zinc and vitamin D. Chronic inflammation and aging also reduce NKC effectiveness. And well, psychological stress can significantly impair NKC function, making the body more susceptible to infections and growths like skin tags and warts. Remedy for skin tags and warts. Ingredients, application, and benefits. Povidone iodine. I recommend using Povidone iodine because it is safe, effective, and inexpensive. Iodine has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, making it useful for treating skin growths. It works by disrupting the cellular metabolism of microorganisms, leading to their destruction. To apply, clean the area and use a cotton swab to apply Povidone iodine directly to the skin tag or wart. Cover it with a bandage and repeat daily. Garlic. Garlic has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. It enhances the immune response and promotes healing. Allicin, a compound in garlic, has been shown to have potent antimicrobial properties. To apply garlic, crush a clove and apply the paste to the skin tag or wart. Cover it with a bandage and leave it on for a few hours before washing off. Repeat daily. Garlic can also help reduce inflammation, which is beneficial for healing skin growths. Steps to apply the remedy. Start by placing 1 drop of Povidone iodine in a small dish. This will act as the base of your remedy. Povidone iodine is known for its antiseptic properties, which help in preventing infections. Next, crush 1 clove of garlic using a garlic crusher or 2 spoons. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has antiviral and antibacterial properties, making it essential for the treatment. Make sure the garlic is finely crushed to release the allicin effectively. The finer the garlic, the more allicin is released, enhancing its therapeutic effects. Mix the finely crushed garlic with the iodine to create a potent remedy for skin tags and warts. The combination of iodine and allicin works synergistically to combat the skin growth. Use a Q-tip to apply the mixture directly to the skin tag or wart. This ensures precise application and minimizes wastage of the remedy. Ensure the mixture covers the entire surface of the growth. This helps in effective treatment by ensuring that the active ingredients are in contact with the skin tag or wart. Cover the treated area with a band-aid to keep the mixture in place and protect it from external contaminants. This also helps in maintaining the effectiveness of the remedy. Apply this mixture once daily until the skin tag or wart is completely gone. Consistent application is crucial to ensure the remedy works effectively. This process may take a few days to 2 weeks depending on the size and resilience of the skin growth. Patience and consistency are key. Consistency is key. Do not skip days to ensure the remedy works effectively. Skipping days can delay the treatment process and reduce the effectiveness of the remedy. The benefits of the iodine and garlic remedy for skin tags and warts are numerous, grounded in scientific evidence and supported by user testimonials. Firstly, Povidone iodine is a powerful antiseptic. It prevents infections by killing bacteria and viruses on the skin surface, ensuring that the treated area remains clean and safe. Scientific studies have shown that Povidone iodine is effective against a broad spectrum of pathogens, making it a reliable choice for skin treatments. Garlic, on the other hand, contains allicin, a compound with potent antiviral and antibacterial properties. Allicin has been extensively researched, with studies demonstrating its ability to inhibit the growth of various pathogens, including those responsible for skin tags and warts. The synergistic effect of combining Povidone iodine and garlic enhances their individual benefits, providing a comprehensive solution to skin growth. User testimonials also highlight the effectiveness of this remedy. Many individuals have reported significant improvement in the appearance of their skin after consistent application of the mixture. They have noted that their skin tags and warts have reduced in size, and in some cases disappeared entirely. Users have praised the remedy for being easy to apply and for its minimal side effects compared to more invasive treatments. One user shared, "Well, I was skeptical at first, but after 2 weeks of applying the iodine and garlic mixture daily, my skin tags started to shrink. By the end of the month, they were completely gone. I couldn't be happier with the result." Another testimonial reads, "I had tried several over-the-counter treatments without success. The iodine and garlic remedy was my last hope, and it worked wonders. My warts have vanished, and I feel more confident in my skin." These testimonials, combined with the scientific backing of the remedy's components, make it a promising option for those looking to address skin tags and warts naturally and effectively. The combination of Povidone iodine and garlic provides a potent, scientifically supported remedy that can help you achieve clearer, healthier skin. Consistent application and patience are key to seeing the best results. Additional effective remedy: active hexose-correlated compound AHCC. AHCC is a natural compound derived from certain types of mushrooms, particularly shiitake mushrooms. It has been extensively studied with over 100 research papers, primarily from Japan, supporting its efficacy. Benefits of AHCC immune system. Boost. AHCC significantly increases the potency of NKCs, restoring the immune system's strength to fight off viruses and cancer cells. Autonomic nervous system support. It helps balance the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems, enhancing the body's overall stress response. Antiviral properties. AHCC has shown promise in reducing the viral load of HPV, helping to clear the virus from the body. Usage. Combining AHCC with the iodine and garlic mixture can help address not just the symptoms but also the underlying viral cause. AHCC supplements can be taken orally, typically in capsule form. The recommended dosage varies, so consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. This combination can bolster the immune system and provide a more comprehensive solution to skin tags and warts. Conclusion and further information. This method combines natural remedies to effectively shrink and eventually remove skin tags and warts while addressing underlying causes to prevent future occurrences. By following these steps and incorporating AHCC, you can enhance your immune system and improve your overall health, reducing the likelihood of future skin growth. This explanation provides a thorough understanding of how to remove skin tags and warts, the underlying causes and the natural remedies to address them effectively. The combination of Povidone, iodine, garlic and AHCC offers a powerful approach to treating and preventing these common skin conditions. While these treatments can be intriguing, it's important to remember they are for entertainment purposes only. Skin tags and warts can be bothersome and affect your confidence. Although natural remedies like Povidone, iodine, garlic and AHCC are popular, they should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider for safe and effective treatments. These suggestions are easy to find and simple to use at home, but they are not a substitute for professional care. Professional guidance is crucial in preventing the recurrence of these skin conditions. Moreover, opting for natural remedies means you're avoiding the harsh chemicals and potential side effects associated with over-the-counter products. This approach is about nurturing your body and skin, promoting overall well-being, and achieving long-lasting results. So while these treatments can be fun to try, always seek professional medical advice for the best care and use these natural remedies as a complementary approach. That's all for today's video on warts. If you have any concerns or persistent issues, it's important to see your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more health tips and information. Thanks for watching and take care.